Hello and welcome to Vanwise. My name is Taj and this is our Ford Transit Custom Trend L2H2. I'll take you through the interior and the exterior of the vehicle and hopefully could showcase what we could offer. Let's go. The vehicle does come with LED daytime running lights as well as front parking sensors and fog lights. The vehicle does also come with 16-inch alloys and also comes with the remaining manufacturer's warranty from the date of registration. The vehicle also does come with one side loading door, which is from the passenger side. The vehicle also is ULEZ compliant, so no additional fees will be added from this aspect. We do also offer competitive finance packages, which one of our finance managers in branch can assist you with further information. And we also do offer gap protection cover. Taking you through the rear now, we do have rear parking sensors and also a reversing camera on this model. The rear of the vehicle comes with a solid bulkhead which adds security to your goods in the back. Above the bulkhead, storage space is also available and we do have interior lighting in the rear. On the bulkhead to the bottom left, there is a pop-up hatch that offers additional length right the way from the rear cab all the way through to the passenger footwell. The spare tyre will be placed underneath the vehicle once the purchase has been completed, and we have the length from the bulkhead to the rear doors, which is just over 280 centimetres. And the width that we have between the wheel arches is just over 130 centimetres. And once the hatch has been opened, you get the storage space just underneath your passenger seat. We do have your AdBlue tank and fuel tank here, which is just on the passenger side. 3 seats internally with an armrest available for the driver. Your 2 passenger seats do fold forward, so you can gain storage space just underneath. And we do have this area that drops down and offers additional cup holders. Across the dashboard, storage space and cup holders are also available. We do have your entertainment screen, which comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Assist, as well as DAB radio and Bluetooth connectivity and USB. We have your 12V charge port here and USB port. We do have a 6-speed gear stick, and just underneath we do have a additional cup holder. Your climate control is just underneath your entertainment screen, where this does have your heated seats, windscreen and side mirror options, including aircon. And the vehicle does also come with a start-stop option. Just on the driver's side of the seat, we do have your seat adjustments here, and underneath is the toolkit for the vehicle. On your driver's door, we do have your central locking options and the dial to adjust your side mirrors, which are also power folded. And your lighting arrangement is just to the right hand side of your steering wheel. We do have a multifunctional steering wheel that does have options such as cruise control, media and also voice activation. And behind the steering wheel, we do have a additional 12V charge port and USB port here as well. And this was our Ford Transit Custom L2H2 Trend. My name was Taj. Thanks again for your inquiries and hopefully we can speak to you soon. Take care.